Take a ride in the 2018 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, panic alarm. Come see the car for yourself.